Hey guys, Mike with Gettin Greasy Garage. So I'm reaching out to you subscribers. Maybe you can help me with this. So this is the steering column tube. Not cut the length yet, but for the 59 Ford Fairlane. This is 1.5" outside diameter. Okay. Now this is the upper column mount, 1/2 inch thick, with a 2-inch hole. It has the right drop that I want. I could not find one with the right drop that I wanted with 1.5" hole. This is 2-inch hole. Okay. So on this, I need a 1/2 inch wide, 2-inch OD, 1.5" ID. I want it printed out of black plastic, something pretty hard if possible. Preferably black, or even out of a plastic that I can paint. The next piece. So this is the pivot ball for where it goes through the floor. 2-inch wide, 2-inch diameter, and I need a bushing 2-inch OD by 1.5" ID. Again, out of a hard plastic. Then for this is a bushing for the 3/4 inch steering shaft. And as you can see, no bueno. So I want to make a sleeve that slides over this tube 2 inches. So it has to be 2-inch, I figured 2 5/8 overall length. Outside diameter doesn't matter, something pretty thick, probably 2-inch. With 1.5" inside diameter, so that it'll slide over this pretty tight. With this 2 1/8 ID by 5/8 on the other end. If that makes sense. And all this out of plastic. If somebody has aluminum and wanted to make them out of aluminum, that'd be great. I don't want to spend a fortune on this, simply because I could reorder all these parts and probably find something the right size, or even put a different steering column in it. But there's some issues with there. So if anybody does 3D printing that could make up something like this, I drew out what I'm looking for. And I'm not an architect or engineer or anything, but you get the gist of what I'm looking for. On the sleeve for this guy, the next one is the bushing for this guy, and then the bushing for this guy is the last one. So I measured everything with a caliper. Those dimensions would work perfect. And so if you 3D print and this is something you'd be interested in doing, making for me and shipping to me just cheap, or within a reasonable cost, I'm thinking $50. We could work something out. I don't know. I don't know what that stuff costs, what it's worth. I know that for probably $100 I could fix this problem, but I'd rather put some money in somebody's pocket and have something handmade versus ordering more Chinesium that's the wrong size, or chancing that. So anyway, if you have the capability of doing this out of plastic, or if you have a lathe and some scrap aluminum laying around and you want to do something on that, I'll go either way. Hit me up. You can hit me up in the comments, or you can reach out to me via email. Greasy Paws 1959 at gmail.com. Spelled GREASYPAWS 1959 at gmail.com. And we'll figure it out. But that's what I'm looking for. And I thought, who better to go to than my subscribers? So, anyway, thank you everybody for the support of the channel. Welcome to the 15 new subscribers. That's just awesome. We're 3 away from 250. That's a great, great big milestone I'm trying to strive for. And, it's the channel slowly growing. Any growth is good growth. And I really appreciate you guys. I appreciate you watching. Appreciate your patience when I don't have time to get a video up regularly. And, I really enjoy the comments, and I enjoy the question and answer stuff. So, anyway, that's enough out of me for now. If you can help me out with this, shoot me an email or leave a comment, and I'll get with you. Leave me a way to get a hold of you, and we'll take it from there. Alright, guys, that's enough out of me for now, and stay greasy, my friends.